All right, let's get down to business because we don't have any time to waste. All right, we don't have any time to waste. 2025 is halfway over and you have not started your t-shirt business. You have not started the business you told me in the beginning of the year that you were going to start. I know you did because I see your comments. You said, Crystal Lee, I'm going to start my business this year. And you haven't done it. Maybe because you're worried about the money. Maybe because you're worried that you're not going to make any sales. Maybe you're worried that somebody's going to steal your design. I promise you it doesn't matter. Maybe you're worried that you don't have any design skills and you just don't know where to begin. I am here to cut all of those excuses out of the way because we don't have time to play. Half of the year is gone and you got to make some extra money. So we are going to walk you through step by step today on how you're going to create a viral or best-selling design using AI or using templates that are available to you for free. And you can start selling for free using print on demand, specifically Printify. My friends at Printify are my favorite because I love that the platform allows you to make money up front and you don't have to spend anything. And they're going to print it, pack it, and ship it for you. For those of you who are like, but I really want to do a machine and I really want to do it myself. If you don't have any customers yet, I would suggest that you start with print on demand and then you possibly do it yourself at home and use both. But right now, why not take the free option versus not selling anything and half of the year is over? Let's not do that. Let's start today and get into it. We are going to log into Printify. If you don't already have an account, my link is in the description. If you do, go ahead and log in. Once you get into your Printify backend, it's going to look something like this. I have my catalog pulled up. So go to your left side and you will see catalog. All right. The catalog is where all of the products live. Clearly, you can see they have thousands of products for you to sell and for you to choose from. All right. And what I love is this left hand corner. If you don't know what to sell and you are still on the fence about what it is that you want to jump out and sell, look at this left side. It has all the things that are trending right now. So bestsellers, whatever season we're in. So summer picks, back to school, personalization. So if you want to do like family reunion t-shirts like we talked about, or if you want to have everybody's name on their shirt, you will look right here. They have embroidery, which if you're looking to do like uniforms, that'd be good for you because you can put like embroidered text on or an embroidered logo on like a polo shirt, eco-friendly, TikTok, Printify choice. So if you don't know what to do, start here on the left. If you know exactly what you want to sell, go ahead and look to the right and see what they have for you. Today, we are just going to design on a t-shirt to show you how easy it is if you have no design skills to create something. But again, please make sure to look around at all they have to offer because it's not just shirts. It's not just mugs, like kitchen accessories, jewelry, pets, hats, socks, bottles, posters, postcards, journals, blankets, rugs, like all kind of stuff that you can sell. But I'm just going to go to t-shirt right now so I can show you how we're going to design. Now, I'm just going to choose a very popular t-shirt, the Bella Canvas 3001. And once you choose the item that you want to design, it will look something like this. Now, depending on the product, it's going to look a little bit different. Before the t-shirt, what you see on this white t-shirt and the dotted lines, that is your print area. That means that this is where your design is going to live. It cannot go outside of here. Okay. They also allow you to print on the back side. Same thing. Here's your design area, left sleeve, right sleeve, and your neck label. Keep in mind, though, that the more design that you put on there, the more it's going to cost. So pay close attention to your production cost area. Okay. But while you're designing and having fun, just, allow yourself to have a good time while you do this. So as you can see to the left, here are all of your design options. And if you are not a designer or have no idea what to do, I promise there is something for you over here. You can, number one, upload a logo. So you can create something free inside of Canva and save it and then download it over here and put it right on your t-shirt. So AI, you have this things that are already there, and then you can create your own text library. These are some designs that I've already made. So this is one of my designs. So I'm going to change this to black so that you can see the design. Okay. So this is a design that I had created myself. So boom, that's in my library. Graphics, boom. Templates, I don't have any templates yet. Shutterstock, you can pay a small fee for some of the little designs here. And then Fiverr, which is going to take you over to Fiverr, which is a freelance platform, and you can get, you know, a discount for somebody doing it for you. If you feel like you just cannot do this, you just don't have the time, somebody else can do it for you. But let me show you how easy it is to create a shirt. I'm just gonna put back to school and just see what we get. Okay, so once you put the design on the shirt, you want to, depending on how big you want it to be, I want it to fill the whole print area. So if I wanted to go with this shirt as like a back to school, something for some kids, boom, look at how easy that was to just create a shirt using AI. Okay, and then I'm clicking it and hitting delete if I want to get rid of it. Now if you want more of a text-based design, then you can come over to text. They have different fonts that you can use, and then they have the templates for you already there. Now since I have the black shirt, you can't see that, so I'm gonna take that off. So let's hustle more coffee, take a sip. You already have a shirt that you can sell right now. You can put this on Etsy, TikTok shop, or any of those right now, or you can create a pop-up shop right here or a pop-up store right here in Printify and sell this today and just send your link out. Let's hustle more coffee, take a sip. All right, so I'm going to delete this so that we can play around with some different designs. You got be good, do good. So if you have like a affirmation brand, that will be very good for that. You can also change it, change the text just by double clicking it. Okay. And you can delete as you want. You can change the font up here. Okay. You could change the color. You can change how it looks. You can type your own stuff in. Just hit font over here and your text will come up. Okay. Create your own. Boom. You just made a new, I will make $1 million shirt. So you can create your own, or you can type in something that they already have. For AI, you can use something that is already here or generate your own image. As you can see, some of these are some different pictures that I've created from AI, just playing around. Okay. She's super cute. Here are some other shirts that I've made. If you want like a nostalgic brand, I love this. 80s made me. Like, I actually might just print this shirt myself because it's so cute. This will probably be really cute on the black shirt. Let me see. Oh, yes. And you have all of these colors to choose from. So you can just play around and see. This will do really well on Amazon, Etsy, stuff like that. Okay. So as you can see, you don't need any design skills to make these happen. Use the templates. Sarcasm University. Super cute. And you can sell these immediately. You can take this and, like I said, create a pop-up store here inside of Printify and put the link in your social media and sell it right away. You can use TikTok Shop, Shopify, Etsy, all of those options. But I would say come inside of Printify and play around with these different options here to the left and see how easy it is to create a t-shirt without needing to know how to design anything. They've made it easier than ever to make money without spending money on a graphic designer or having any inventory. So don't let this hold you back anymore. If you have been putting it off because you don't know what the first step is, this is your first step. So jump in here, create your products, and then go ask people for their feedback. What do you think about this? And they'll tell you, like, I don't like that color. I really like this. And then if you find that there's one that people are like, oh my gosh, I love this, I need to be a part of Sarcasm University, then you know that that is going to be one that will sell really well, okay? And then, of course, I have other videos about how to market, how to set up your Printify pop-up store, how to do all of the things. So if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments. Sign up for Printify today and get started. If you need help, I do have a free t-shirt class also in the description. I will see you there, and I will also see you on Printify. If you already have your store, drop it in the comments so that I can check you out. All right. Wishing you so much success, and I will see you in the next video.